Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the display language in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left corner of Excel and go down and select Options at the bottom of this panel. You want to select Language on the left side here. And then on the right side, you would select the Add a Language button here and select the language from the list, whatever language would be applicable for you. And then you would select Install and then select OK. And then give it a moment here. Okay, so it's going to ask for you to close out of any open Office applications, which we're going to select there. And go ahead and just close out. And if we close out of Excel, applying the update as we speak. And there you go, guys. It's changed the language successfully at this point. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.